Hi guys! It is 22:26 ng hapon ng February 22 of 2025. So ngayon, I'm going to a seminar sa ASCOT BGC ng aming PIID. So, for those who don't know, it's a point na you have to accumulate and buong profession meron yun. So, kailangan mo siyang i-accumulate for you to get points. So, sa amin ata, 6 GMM ata kailangan accumulate kasi kailangan mo din yun for your renewal ng PRC license. So, yes. We're going there. And ngayon nasa EDSA ako, napaka-traffic. Medyo so, PIID stands for Philippine Institute of Interior Designers. So, ngayon, they conduct an event for interior designers. And, ngayon, ang topic is being related to Feng Shui. So, yun. Guys, samahan niyo ako. Just want to share this event dito sa PIID. Ayun, magpaka-professional muna. And, ayun, meet other interior designers here in Manila. Ayun. So, yeah.
For Public Relations, and I'm joined by
Kat Correa, your Executive Director for Events. Good afternoon, everyone.
Express my sincere gratitude that I feel. Could we give them a applause?
The motivator, and let's explore the future of air conditioning, because this is what they said, Philippines is the most behind country in terms of technology in air conditioning. So it's best that we
are excited to announce that we are partnering with PIID. And so, for the interior designers, okay, thank you.
okay, how promising, right? Who's excited to work with Rosa over here to our left is an entrepreneur with over 11 years of experience, and she is a seasoned Chinese metaphysics consultant with more than 5 years of expertise in Bazi.
Okay, so
Once we find that out, the most auspicious sector for 2025 is the East sector, and the most every vote that you make is going to be scrutinized. But I suggest to actually embrace it and then use it as a platform to showcase your skills, what you're capable of, no? Because for 2020, for the next 20 years, actually, period 9, attention is what brings money or opportunities. So use that attention to your advantage.
Of the interior design profession. So, for example, someone in this level, we expect them to be invited as speakers, for example.
Summary of like what we had.
Here's a year of balance, innovation, and excellence in interior design. Welcome and let's get started.
An absolute pleasure to be here this afternoon with the... Okay, so... Ano sa sigaw natin?
I am. Ready? One, two, I am.
Guys, wait tayo kay contractor. Actually, wala pa siya. Hindi ko alam kung kasi minsan nagbabago yung schedule. So guys, some people would ask why I started vlogging or yung mga iba kong friends or iba kong mga kilala. Though they're very supportive naman, and bakit nga ba ako nagsa-start mag-vlogging? Matagal ko na talagang gustong mag-vlog. Like, way back few years pa, mga 2018. Nagsino-story ko lang talaga. I just realized na why not na ipakita mo sa ibang tao yung work ko, ganyan. And help other suppliers na makilala din through my projects. Parang it's a helping hand for the community, for interior designers, for suppliers, to showcase kung ano man yung materials na na hawak nila. I know na hindi naman ako sikat or what, but then through my projects na showcase natin yung materials, business ng ibang tao. So, parang helping hand siya. Ayun, I hope na we can meet